Today, we're diving into the Mosaic Blur effect, perfect for censoring sensitive details or adding a creative retro vibe to your video. Let's get started. First, add your video to the timeline, open the effects panel, search for Mosaic Blur, and drag it onto your clip. The pixelation effect will immediately appear. Next, select your clip and go to the Inspector panel. Under the Open Effects tab, you'll see a range of customizable settings. Start with Pixel Frequency. This controls the intensity of the pixelation. Lower values result in bold, larger squares, while higher values create finer pixel blocks. Adjust this to fit your needs. Explore Cell Shape to customize the pixel shapes. By default, it's set to squares, but you can experiment with triangles or hexagons for a unique look. Use the aliasing options to fine-tune the edges of the pixels. This helps reduce roughness and can make the effect look more polished. And there you have it, a professional pixelated blur with advanced customizations. Whether you're hiding sensitive information or going for a stylistic effect, the Mosaic Blur tool in DaVinci Resolve has you covered. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more editing tips.